So, you're ready to take the plunge and buy your first home. Great, but let's tackle the big question. New construction or resale? It's like choosing between a brand new car and a classic vintage. Both have their perks, but which one's the right fit for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of new construction versus resale homes. We'll break it down to the pros and the cons of each so you can make an informed decision that'll set you up for a bright future. New construction homes offer a fresh start. Imagine walking into a brand new home, sparkling appliances, pristine floors, and that unmistakable new home smell. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's the allure of new construction homes, a fresh start in every sense of the word. New construction homes offer more than just a blank slate. They're a chance to make your dream home a reality. Let's dive into what makes these homes so appealing. First up, customization. With new construction, you're in the driver's seat, choosing your flooring, countertops, paint colors, you name it. It's all about tailoring your space to your style. Then there's energy efficiency. Modern homes come equipped with the latest energy efficient savings features, which means lower utility bills and a greener lifestyle. Let's not forget about the modern amenities. Think smart home technology, energy efficient appliances, and all the bells and whistles designed to make your life easier and more comfortable. Plus, there's a peace of mind that comes with a builder's warranty, covering you just in case anything goes wrong during the first few years. And let's talk about the appreciation potential. New home construction is a growing neighborhood that can build equity faster, making them a solid investment. But as amazing as it sounds, there are a few things to consider before diving in. Cost. New home construction can be expensive upfront. You're paying a premium for all that fresh start. Wait times can also be a factor. It might take a few months or longer before you can move in. And let's not forget about construction delays, supply chain hiccups, or unexpected setbacks that can push back times further than you'd like. With resale, there's something truly magical about a home with a story. Resale homes, with their unique charm and established neighborhoods, offer a timeless appeal you just can't get from new construction. Resale homes bring more than just four walls. They bring character, history, and the opportunity to live in a neighborhood that's already feels like home. Let's talk about what makes resale homes such a popular choice, starting with the immediate move-in factor. No waiting time for months or worrying about construction delays. With resale, you can get your keys and start making memories right away. Another major perk is established neighborhoods. Think tree-lined streets, nearby parks, top-rated schools, and local hangouts that make you feel part of the community from day one. Then there's potential for negotiations. Whether it's the price, closing costs, or included appliances, there's often more wiggle room when buying a resale home. And let's not forget about the character and the warmth. From historic details to architectural quirks, resale homes can offer personality that new constructions sometimes lack. But before you fall in love with that vintage fireplace or the oversized backyard, there's a few things to keep in mind. First, there's potential for repairs. Older homes might need some tender loving care, whether it's a new roof, outdated plumbing, or cosmetic fixtures. These can add up, so it's important to budget accordingly. Another thing to consider is the unknown history. Even with an inspection, there might be some hidden issues like outdated wiring or structural concerns. That's why working with an experienced realtor is so important. Despite these challenges, resale homes have a unique charm that's hard to resist. If you're drawn to a home with a personality, established community, and the chance to move in right away, a resale home might be the right choice for you. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide personalized advice and help you find the perfect home. Now that you understand the difference between new constructions or resale homes, both having their unique advantages and disadvantages, as we've dived into the pros and cons of each to help you make an informed decisions that includes factors like cost, customization, energy efficient, location, and maintenance. Let's talk about the difference between mortgage pre-approval and pre-qualifications and why it can make or break your offer. Learn why pre-qualification is the game changer that serious San Antonio home buyers need to secure their dream home. Click here to watch now.
Lovely starshine lights my way to bed. Magic rainbows glisten in my head. Just like a child I live in Wonderland. All my dreams are coming true.